Every time we create a new flow, a copy of all of the databases inside of the map will be spawned. So if I head back to my Flotion dashboard, each of these flow projects has their own set of databases, and all of those databases can be found inside of the map. The map by default will have a list of databases even if you're not using them, because these are linked up to the components inside of your Flotion editor. Basically, you have an excess amount of databases inside of your map so that you have the capability to create linked instances of anything that you might need for your business build. It's worth noting that it's best practice to relabel the databases that you're using once you create a new flow. We've created this new flow called New Client Portal. And so one of the steps for setup so that you can keep track of which databases are being used for which flows is to head into the map, and let's say that we were using this content database. I would simply rename it inside of the bracket as New Client Portal. Now that may not be the best name since we might be creating several new client portals. Maybe we would actually rename this entire portal to the name of our client itself. But when I rename the database as the New Client Portal database, you can see that this content database has updated its name, and we know that we're referencing the right databases for this particular flow. We can always add new databases to the map itself if we would like to consolidate all of our databases in one place. Our pages typically live inside of the side menu here, but if you would like to keep a list of your pages, or if you would like to keep the list of your pages inside of the map as well, you can always do so by creating a little subheading for your pages and dragging and dropping the pages that you need into this section of the map. That way, you'll notice in the top breadcrumb menu that when I hit content, it's now linked directly through the map, whereas when I have it located inside of the menu, if I can drag it there safely, you'll notice that it is directly linked. The next step back is going to be the home of the portal itself and not the map. So that is a quick introduction to the map.